We're looking at our Integra Accolade Freightliner. Okay, go for it.
Come over here.
Alrighty.
So on this side, your main focus is going to be your coolant level.
All right.
Your windshield wiper fluid is down here, and this is your air filter for it. There's a little gauge here that slides inside this clear cylinder, and once it hits change filter, then it's time to pull the filter out and put a new one in.
And that's something simple enough to do that we could do that.
Yes. Yep, a couple screws up top, pulls out, and then this end of this button just pushes and it's a reset button.
Okay.
It'll reset that for the next time around.
So there's no signal on the inside to tell you. You just got to keep an eye on this.
Yep, which it's going to take a lot of miles before.
Normal coolant.
Final charge.
Okay. So
It's called final charge. It's a special coolant that they use for all the newer diesels,
Okay.
okay.
the big rigs.
Okay.
Yep. So then we can move on around over here to the other side.
Was this okay? This was windshield wiper fluid. Okay, got it. Get the other side here.
Yep. Over here you got your power steering,
All right.
which sometimes if you go fill it all the way up to max,
Mm-hmm.
it's oil and it does get hot, so it will build pressure.
So not a good idea to overfill it.
No, yeah, don't overfill it because it will puke out. You've got fuses here for your engine, and some of these fuses are for your cabin area.
Where are the fuses? Oh,
Right here.
right here. Okay, the
Yep,
fuses.
they just pop off.
So we have like
Okay.
standard fuses that we have for the Winnebago View, but we may need some extra ones for this.
Yeah. Well, they're pretty standard fuses.
I mean, those look like
They're just the
kind of
smaller
we
ones.
10, 5s, whatever, 15s,
Yep. Well, 30. There's a couple 30s in there.
a couple of 30s. Okay, gotcha.
Yep.
All right.
So then, do you guys plan on doing your own maintenance on it and stuff?
No.
No. All right.
But
I was gonna say.
there's the oil stick though, right? Or-
Yep. Here's how you check your oil. Your transmission. That's your fill and your dipstick to check the fluid level.
Oh, at that angle, you got
Is
to
that that
fill it.
brown thing?
Yep. And that's a very long tube.
All right. So, how often would you check that?
Unless you've got a leak or you see a puddle underneath the transmission or something, I really wouldn't, because the
So
oil's not going to go anywhere.
What are they recommending to like have oil changes and stuff?
There's a service manual inside for
Okay.
it that'll tell you the increments
Okay.
of what mileage, but these also do have a mileage life on them.
Mm-hmm.
So that tells you like 100%, 50%, stuff like that.
Okay. Perfect. Looks like that might
Then-
actually be an oil filter right there.
That, I believe, is your fuel filter.
Oh, fuel filter. Okay.
Yep. And your
Diesel
oil
fuel.
filter will be up underneath.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep. Your VIN for it, there's it's the same VIN, just 2 tags. In case
Okay.
you guys ever have to get it inspected.
Gotcha. All right.